In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for manufacturing and production management. Whether you're managing a small workshop or a large manufacturing plant, Monday.com is a powerful tool that can streamline your production processes from start to finish. Let's walk you through how to set it up and maximize its potential for your production needs. To start using Monday.com effectively, begin by creating a production board. This board will be the central hub for all your manufacturing activities. Name your board production schedule to clearly define its purpose. Next, organize this board into groups representing different stages of production. For example, you might use stages such as planning, materials ready, in production, quality check, and shipped. This clear segmentation will help you track the progress of each product as it moves through the production line. Now, let's populate your board with items. Each item represents an individual work order or batch within your production cycle. Ensure that each item includes key columns like product name, quantity, supervisor, and deadlines. This detail ensures everyone involved has the necessary information at their fingertips, enhancing communication and efficiency. Keeping track of each order's progress is vital. Utilize the status and priority columns for this purpose. The status column can have labels such as not started, in progress, and done, providing a snapshot of the order's journey. Meanwhile, the priority column can be crucial for highlighting urgent jobs that need to be prioritized, ensuring nothing important falls through the cracks. Integrating your inventory with production management is another smart step. Link your inventory board to your production schedule so you can instantly see if there are enough materials on hand before kicking off production. This linkage significantly reduces the risk of starting a project only to be halted by a shortage of supplies, saving time and resources. To make this process even smoother, consider automating workflows. Automation can be a game changer, where you can set specific rules such as notifying the supervisor when the status changes to in production. Additionally, tasks can be automatically moved to quality check when their due date arrives. This ensures seamless transitions between phases without manual intervention, allowing your team to focus on their priorities. Lastly, monitoring with dashboards and Gantt views can offer powerful insights. Dashboards comprehensively showcase workload, orders by stage, and overall production progress. In contrast, the Gantt view is invaluable for tracking dependencies, from materials procurement through to production and delivery, ensuring deadlines and sequences are maintained. These strategic uses of Monday.com can significantly enhance your production management efficiency. Experiment with these setups and adjust as necessary to fit the unique needs of your manufacturing process. Thank you for joining me on this journey to optimize your production workflow with Monday.com. Stay tuned for more tips and insights, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content.